Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who replayed your Snapchat story. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application on your device. So you have to tap on your profile icon in the upper corner, and then you have to come for this option My Story, and then select any of your story to check who replay them. Once your story loads up, as usual, the number of views will be available in the bottom left corner. From here, simply swipe up from the bottom and it will take you on this page. Here, look at the screen. Here, see a pair of eyes right here, and if someone has replayed your story, you will see a number of next to the icon which shows you how many of your friends have replayed your story. For instance, it shows now 0 number because no one has viewed my story yet, but if it shows 2 here, which means my story has been replayed by 2 different users. It's actually very interesting because it does showcase who exactly rewatch your story. However, you must be a Snapchat Plus subscriber to use this feature. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.